Over and over again, God told Joshua that the battle ahead of them was already won. But that doesn't mean they just sat around and waited for God to act. The people had to march around the city of Jericho once a day, and on the seventh day, marched around 7 times, called loudly, and then blew ram's horns. The city's walls collapsed, and the Israelites charged in from all sides. Get your students moving by giving them each a horn. Maybe not a ram's horn like this one, but Oriental Trading and other similar discount sellers often have a wide variety of plastic horns that you can spray paint for a more authentic look. Walk your students around your home, church, or school building 7 times. I did this with an elementary school once, and it was a fantastic experience. We made a paper rock wall and placed it on the gate surrounding the playground. Adult helpers behind the gate cut the ties holding it up as the kids blew their horns. This is an experience your students will not soon forget. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.